How to get a medical card in Oklahoma. You'll need a doctor's recommendation and an approved application from the Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority, known as OMA. The whole process can be done online. First, book an appointment with a licensed Oklahoma physician. The doctor will review your health and decide if medical treatment through cannabis is suitable for you. There's no specific list of qualifying conditions. It's based on the doctor's judgment. Once approved, the physician will give you a signed recommendation form that's valid for 30 days. Next, gather your documents. You'll need a clear color photo, proof of Oklahoma residency like a driver's license or recent utility bill, proof of identity such as a passport or state ID, and your signed physician form. Then, apply on the OMA website. Create an account, upload your documents, and pay the $100 fee or $20 if you qualify for the reduced rate under Medicaid, Medicare, or veteran status. Finally, wait for approval. OMA reviews all applications within 14 business days. If approved, you'll get your medical card in the mail within a few days, allowing you to legally access medical treatment across the state.